Is the RTX 5090 really the king of GPUs in 2025? Today we're testing NVIDIA's most powerful card yet to see if it's worth that jaw-dropping price. The RTX 5090 comes with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, next-gen ray tracing, and DLSS 4. It promises unmatched performance for gaming, AI, and content creation. In our tests, the RTX 5090 absolutely dominates 4K gaming with over 200 FPS in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 6, and Starfield 2. Even at 144 Hz, it's buttery smooth. This isn't just for gamers. For AI rendering and content creation, the RTX 5090 cuts processing times by nearly 50% compared to the RTX 4090. But all this power comes at a cost. The RTX 5090 pulls over 500 W under full load, meaning you'll need serious cooling and a beefy PSU. So, is the RTX 5090 worth it? If you're an enthusiast chasing the absolute best in 2025, yes. But for most gamers, the RTX 5080 or 5070 Ti may offer better value. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. Would you spend $2 grand on the RTX 5090? Don't forget to like and subscribe.